स्टार्ट हो गई।
Now all of you please pay attention here. Today we are going to prove truth table of different logic gates. Different logic gates are NAND, NOR, NOT, AND, OR and XOR. Power supply is kept on 5 volt. Positive end of the power supply is connected to positive of the trainer. Negative of the supply is connected to negative of the trainer. Okay. Now in all this IC 14 is plus VCC. So connect trainer's positive to IC's positive. For positive we have to use red color, and this is negative. Negative should be connected to 7. Higher number, positive number 14, positive. Lower 7, negative. Diagonal. That side positive, this one is negative. Then 1, 2 input, 3 is the output. This is output. Pin number 3 is output. Out of the 5 output, you can connect to any one. Switch off the supply. Finally, we will switch on. These are the inputs. You can connect to any 2 inputs. So let us connect. This is the first input. This is second input. And this is 7408 means AND. So in AND, what is the expected truth table? For 0 0 output is 0. For 0 1 output is 0. For 1 0 output is 0. For 1 1 output is 1. Now switch on the supply and check. For 0 0 output is 0. This is 7408. 7408 is AND gate. These are in 0 0 condition. When both inputs are 0, output is 0. If this is 0, this is 1, again you are saying output is 0. Interchange. It's 1 0, output
0.
0. Both are high, output is high. So in this way you have proved that output of truth table of IC 7408. 7408 is AND gate.
AND gate.
Is 0 0 0 1. 0 0 0 0. 0 0 is again 0. 1 0 is 0. When both inputs are high, output is high. Okay. Now here IC 7486 is connected. 7486 is XOR, exclusive OR. And here what is expected output? When both the inputs are 0, output is 0. 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Its output is high if odd number of high inputs are present, or otherwise if both the inputs are same, outputs are 0. Now I am transferring from this upper to this lower. This is the first input, this is second input, this is third one is output. change the supply also. Now let us check 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. In this way you have verified truth table of XOR gate. In this what you have done, connect the positive and negative of the supply to positive and negative of the trainer. From trainer connect positive to 14 terminal of the IC. 14 terminal of the IC is plus VCC. 7 is ground. In every part, here also 7 is ground. Here also 7. If you connecting this, then pin number 7 is ground. This is power supply. Power supply positive terminal is connected to positive of the trainer. From this trainer, red wire are connected to all 14 of these three ICs. This is IC number 1, pin number 14, IC number 2, pin number 14, third IC, pin number 14. All three are connected together to positive terminal. Similarly, negative or ground is connected to ground of this trainer. From this ground, all pin number 7 are tied together. This pin number 7 is connected here. This pin number 7 is connected here. This pin number is 7. Pin number 7 is connected here. So here in this case, all positive and negative power supplies are given simultaneously. Now this upper one is IC7400. It is NAND gate. Pin number 1 is input. Pin number 2 is also input. For input let us take blue color, and for output we will reserve this yellow color. Pin number 1 input. Pin number 2 yes, second input, and pin number 3 is output. What is the expected truth table for 7400? For 7400 expected is 1110. So let us switch on the power supply. Make sure that it is showing 5 volt. It should not be more than 5 volt. When both are 0, output is 1. 0 1, output is 1. When 0 0, output is 1. When 0 1, output is 1. Interchange 1 0, again output is 1. When both 1 1, output is 0. So in this way you have verified truth table of NAND gate 7400. Again I am repeating. 0 0, output is 1. 0 1, output is 1. 1 0, output is 1. 1 1, then only it is 0. 7400 NAND gate. It is complement of AND gate. In AND gate, what is the output truth table? 0001. So here you are getting complement of AND gate 1110. Here 0001, here 1110. Okay. Now second part. Let us verify truth table of NOR gate. In NOR, 1 is output, 2 3 are the input. Here 1 2 are the inputs, 3 is the output. In NOR, 1 is output and 2 and 3 are inputs. We already connected power supply, therefore no need to reconnect it. Again start from the 0 0 0 0, it is showing 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. Hence in this way we have verified this 7402 truth table. Again you can see 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. So this NOR is complement of OR. In OR we are getting 0 1 1 1. Here in NOR it is complement of OR, therefore 1 0 0 0. Okay, so in this way we have verified truth table of NOR gate also. Now third IC, this is NOT. In NOT gate there are only two pins. Pin number 1 is input, pin number 2 is output. So connect this two output to pin number 2, and any one you can connect. This is not required to pin number 1. Since it is NOT gate, output is always complement of input. Input is 0, output is 1. If input is 1, output is 0. So in this way you have verified the truth table for NOT gate. In one IC there are 6 NOT gates. If suppose this NOT gate is not working, then you can use the other one. There also you can check. For 1 it is 0, for 0 it is 1. So if you want to check all these 6 gates, you can check in this way: 0 1 1 0. Not necessary that every time you have to show this only. You can vary out of 6 any one gate you can verify. On the upper side, which one is the output? This is 7 8. 8 is the output, 9 is the input. So again input is 1, output is 0 0, output is 1. Okay, so that's all about this table verification of logic gates.